What happened at a wedding that let you know the marriage was going to end in a divorce? My sister married someone who is in a different social class. She convinced herself that she can blend in with his life, and always aspired to be married to someone who will make her a rich, stay-at-home wife. Anyway, she limited the guests she invited to her wedding only because most of our family can't afford a destination wedding, and it was just me, some friends, and my parents who went to Italy. She stressed that we should all look acceptable to the groom's guests. She was trying so hard to look like she belonged in his circle. She paid for her bridal expense like wedding dress, makeup which was more than what she's making monthly as a teacher. She wants to show him she is reliable financially before getting married. Well, the groom stressed to her during the reception about why our dad looked cheap, and my sister told him that it was a $3,000 tuxedo. The groom didn't even introduce our parents to anyone, and they just sat at their table. I just knew her marriage won't last because she is pretending to be someone else. Marriage lasted 8 months. My sister divorced him because he is making $180K a year, and she only makes $39K, but they still split the bills and everything, and the groom didn't want her to ride on his income